Hey, what's up, YouTube? I got a 2009 Nissan Sentra with an aftermarket alarm, so it's beeping like crazy. Please ignore that. So I went ahead and I cut out our key. We ordered it from a Magic Key Code. If you guys don't know what that is, look it up. You can just send them your VIN number, make sure you have an account, and they send you the key code, okay? So we put in our blank key, okay? As you guys can see, it's not programmed yet, okay? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and click on Autopropad. We're gonna agree. So we're gonna go to Nissan Infinity, okay? Excuse me. So Nissan Infinity. We're gonna agree. So the Autopropad automatically converts the BCM to the pin code, okay? So when we read the BCM, it converts it automatically to the pin code. This is a 2009, so it'll be new pin code 1879, and we can choose to bypass it with the Autopropad, okay? We don't have to enter the pin code. So we're gonna go to Program Keys, select from type, Immobilizer, 4-pin. Let's try type 2, okay? Switch ignition on, okay. So we're gonna go to Program Keys. Do you want to bypass pin code? Yes, we do, okay. Okay, so turn it off and then turn it back on. Perfect, so the key has been programmed already. So press OK. Now we can try out our key, see if it turns on. So like I said, this car has an aftermarket alarm down there. All I had to do was press the button behind it so I can shut it up, because it didn't want to let me turn on the car. Okay, but it works perfect now. There's the culprit right there. The little button I press. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked this video and it helped you guys out, make sure you hit like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.